right, people. It was a lot of completely foreign information for United States kids because we don't use the metric system like you mentioned the rest of the world does. So until we do that, I'm not going to be too worried about your ability to use it. And also, they give us this first problem that they don't explain any conversions from milligrams to grams. Grams don't show up in the KHDMDCM example he gave you to remember the units or like the rate measurement for the metric system. So the King Henry died Monday drinking chocolate milk doesn't help here. So I am welcoming you to use Google for your answers. So we have 29 milligrams to grams. So I'm going to put this in Google and I'm going to say, how many grams are 29 milligrams? I asked the how many grams because that's what I want to know are 29 milligrams. Okay, so 29 milligrams is equal to 0.029 grams. So the really cool thing about the metric system is that it's all around base 10 numbers. So it does make it easy in a sense. So I'm just going to plug in this answer I got from Google, 0.029. Okay, and it doesn't want to take it. 0.029. 0.029. Maybe I did a typo. I did do a typo. Oopsie. 562 millimeters is equal to how many centimeters? So this is kind of how this is one you could use the method he shared with, but we're just going to Google it. 562 millimeters is how many centimeters? How many centimeters? 562 millimeters. I looked at my notes that I took, and I'm going to say it would be 0.052 centimeters. Nope, it would be 56.2 centimeters. Okay. All right. 6.8 centimeters is equal to how many hectometers? How many hectometers in 6.8 centimeters? Okay, 6.8 centimeters is 0.00068 hectometers. 0.00068. 6.3 milliliters is how many liters? Six 6.3 milliliters. How many liters? So the number of liters it is 0.0063. 0.7 centimeters is how many millimeters? It just gives you these abbreviations for centimeters and millimeters, so I'm going to just put those in Google in case you don't know what they stand for. You can look at the notes that I've provided in the supplemental instruction if you really want to understand this metric system, but we're just going to go over how to get these answers today because we do not have time to really learn it. Really learn the whole metric system. 7. 214 grams is equal to how many kilograms? So 14 grams is how many milligrams? Oh, it was kilograms, not milligrams. Whoopsie daisy. Point 214 kilograms. 3.65 grams is how many milligrams? 3.65 grams is how many milligrams? $3,650. All right, on to the next lesson. Just use Google for this one. Save yourself some time.